Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenja TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 3, Zambia 0. I'm joined by Ben Mapareka Mawanu Pumawu.
No, Steve, Sugatina.
He came over and Steve.
No. Usipombule, Bambili came. The pace Castipombule.
Yeah.
Be right.
He's the pace.
Yeah, but it's a two Bumbule.
Yeah.
And the Gotham football, Funagam.
Yeah.
Relax.
We are
going to go tell a better so one make a chance of a site.
Yeah.
And then Mala site in Pana, Bam Libala, Besambi.
Yeah.
So man done football like I have to play. Relax, you have to relax.
Shabalala, one way. Bafuna umatala bizu Shabalala.
No, Ushabala will say lie to it. Ushabala can express, man.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?